Jai Hind students, today we are going to deal with book exercises of chapter A Tiny Seed, and the topic is Learn Grammar. The first topic which we will deal here is articles. You all know, children, what are articles, but to brush your memory, let's go through it. We use articles before nouns to indicate whether it is general or specific. Let's go further. Articles are of two types. One is definite article and the other is indefinite article. First, we will know about indefinite articles. Under indefinite articles, we use the word a and an. A is used with single countable nouns and with the words which begin with a consonant or a consonant sound. You all know, children, that there are two types of sound. One is vowel sound and the other is consonant sound. Vowel sound are of the 5 letters, that is A, E, I, O, U, and rest of the letters falls in consonant. Therefore, if your word starts with a consonant and if we are talking about general things, then we will use A. But there are certain exceptions. For example, if you see here, a university is written here. If you can see, the first letter of the word is U, and as I said, U is a vowel. But the sound of U here is what? U, university. We pronounce it as U, Y-O-U, U. That is why we will use a university here. We will not use an. We use an when the sound of U is a. As for example, umbrella. It starts with U and the sound is a. Therefore, we will use an umbrella. Let's look at the example, a banana, a university. Now for an is used with words which are single countable nouns but that begin with a vowel or a vowel sound. Look, children, it's not necessary. If your word starts with a vowel, then you will use an. You have to focus on the sound. For example, if you look here, it's written R. Though it starts with a consonant, according to the rule we should have been using a. But here my sound is what? R. We say R. H is a consonant but the word R sounds like R. And O is what? A vowel. So what we will use? An. Similarly, the same rule goes for university. I hope this is clear to you. Let's look at the definite article. The comes under definite article. Definite means what? When you're talking about specific things, definite things. We use the when we talk about a specific thing. Specific can mean one and only one, not one of many. For example, the Queen of England is coming to Toronto next year. Therefore, I am only talking about Queen of England. She is the only Queen of England. Therefore, I will use the. If you look here, there are how many books here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all of different colors. Read the sentence here. Pass me the blue book, please. That means I am specifically asking for blue book. Out of these 5 books, I am asking for blue book. Therefore, I am specifically talking about this blue colored book. Therefore, I will use the. I hope this is clear to you, children. Let's look at the exercise. Here is fill in the blanks where you have to fill in the appropriate articles. Let's look at the paragraph. One day dash mother crab and her little crab were walking along dash beach. Now here in the first sentence, I don't know which mother crab or which little crab we are talking about. So I am specifically not talking about any mother crab or little crab here. I am generally talking about. So I will use a. One day a mother crab and her little crab were walking along the beach. Dash sun was shining bright. Sun is only one. Therefore we will use the. The sun was shining bright and dash sea looked like dash carpet of diamonds. So I am talking about sea on the beach. Therefore, the sea looked like a carpet of diamonds. Dash mother crab seemed angry. Now here when I am using mother crab, I am specifically talking about the mother crab who was walking along the beach. Therefore what will I use here? The. The mother crab seemed angry. She kept scolding. What will come here? Again I am talking about the little one here who was walking along the beach. Now I have introduced my little crab here and mother crab here. So what will I use here? The. Every creature in, again world is one. Every creature in the world walks forwards. Why are you walking backwards? She said. Dash young crab replied. Again I am talking about this specific crab, the little crab. The young crab replied, what you say is true, mother, but remember you set dash example for me. I am just following your example. So here my letter starts with E and it's a vowel sound, example. Therefore what will I use? An. I hope this articles portion is clear to you. You will do this exercise in your book and I will be posting you the answers on Snap Homework. Thank you.